Hello friends, we at PurpleLane are super excited to announce the launch of our new course on Python programming. In this course, you will get 20 hours of video content. You will work on 10 real-world projects that you can showcase on your resume. There will be quizzes to check your understanding at the end of each chapter, numerous programming questions that helps you improve your programming skills as well as problem-solving skills which are very much necessary to be a software engineer. And all the source code that you come across in this course is downloadable, be it in live coding and code walkthrough sessions, projects, or programming questions. You will be able to download all the source code. Of course, we have an army of TAs and mentors who can help you in solving these real world projects and programming questions. We also provide you a platform to discuss your doubts with other fellow students in this course. This is a completely online course, so you'll be able to access the lectures, quizzes, assignments anytime and anywhere. The best part is you'll be able to access the course content even on your mobile. By the end of this course, you'll be able to contribute to the open source community. You will learn how to create your own library and host it in the official Python packaging index so that the people across the world can make use of your libraries. This course opens a ton of opportunities and wide range of career paths that you can explore. For example, you can choose to become a machine learning engineer, data scientist, data analyst, full stack engineer, software engineer, or game developer, and so on. If you finish the course successfully, you will get the certificate of completion which you can showcase to your prospective recruiters. Now you might ask me how this course is different from other courses available in the market. We have designed this course that helps you emerge confidently and comfortably. Every chapter is organized in such a way that you will never get bored. We get straight to the point, focusing on what really matters to be a good programmer. This course gives you a perfect mix of theory and practice. Each chapter consists of bite-sized videos, quizzes, programming questions along with the solutions, and also a project. This will make you strong in programming as well as problem solving. By the end of this course, you will have gained deeper knowledge in Python and have worked on a bunch of real-world projects along with contributing to the open source community. All these can bring you multiple opportunities in the job market. Above all, you will get mentored and guided in the right path by the industry experts. The mentors and teaching assistants are software engineers who are currently working in top product companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Oracle, Cisco, etc. You can interact with them, learn the best practices, and get their valuable feedback. You can know more about the course and watch the free preview lessons by visiting our website purplelane.in so that you can get an idea of what the course content is. If you have any queries, you can write to team@purplelane.in or call us at this number.
And if you like the video, please share, comment and subscribe to our channel.